What you holding there, sir?
Sorry?
Why are you holding your phone?
I'm Uber.
Yeah, and? Are you allowed to hold it?
It's Uber.
Yes, sir. Thanks for showing me your Android phone with a lit up phone screen. You know I'm going to report it, right? You can't be holding it, sir. You've got to do better. Foxtrot Delta 67 Charlie Whiskey Whiskey.